The big elephant with some tray. Okay, so that too. Painting, red color. I would like to explain you some details of these elephants. For the female elephant, when they're about 15 years, they will be pregnant. Use the time for pregnancy about 20 months to 22 months or nearly 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until 50 years they stop to pregnant. At the time they get old. They can pass pictures by memory because they can remember about it the moment you touch them. ไม่เห็นกับตาคงจะไม่เชื่อนะคะว่าช้างวาดรูปได้นะคะ Oh, Oracha, you've released upon the pictures, really nice. Special, so nice. Okay, วางเลยครับ Oh, Sudha and Sinan, they would like to show you how to start their names. The first one is on your left-hand side. His name is Sinan. Yes. And Sudha.
Unbelievable.
Okay, Sudha, you finished upon the pictures. Very nice. Request herself with herself. Sudha.
That amazing. Oh, I'm just